In the previous session, you learned how to choose the best version based on your system power. This, my friend, gonna be the next step. So you're gonna see Photoshop icon right after install process. Just double click on it and there we go. Welcome to the home screen, guys. We're gonna talk about what is already happening here, but let me first tell you the ways we create new documents. Guys, I think you already know the first way, which is drag and drop a file. So how does it work? Let me show you guys. I'm going on my desktop, I go on my own file, click on it, left click on it, drag and drop, boom. We already have a new document with exactly the same dimension of our file. Let me show you this in another way. So I'm gonna go on my file, I click on it, drag it and drop it on the Photoshop icon, and we already have the same result. So I'm going back to the home screen and we're gonna go for the next way, which we have this open button here. I'm gonna click on it and I can exactly do the same. When I choose my file, open, and there we go. We have the same result. I'm gonna get back on home screen. So these are the ways we can use drag and drop for open new documents. Let's go to the next and the most common way, which is pressing this button right there. I'm gonna choose this new file, or I can use Control or Command N, and I already have the same window, which is new documents. Let's talk about the details, guys. So let's talk about these titles, guys. The first one is recent. So it's your recent documents which you worked before. As you can see, these are my recent documents. The next one is saved, which is completely nothing right there, and there is a reason for this, because you need to create a list for this saved title. And how we can do this? We just need to go on preset details, we need to enter this information, and at the end we just need to press on this icon right there. If I click on it, you actually see saved document presets, and it's for default saved one. I just press save presets, and as you can see, we already have this saved document preset. So we're gonna get back to recent, we go to the saved, and the next one is photo. So these are some preset templates. As you can see, we have landscape, we have portrait, and we're gonna go to the next one, print. We have letter, A4, X6, A5. The next one is art and illustrations, which we have pixel grid, poster, and as you can see, the next one is web, mobile, and you already know what to do. You just need to watch these presets templates, guys, and let me tell you something. Believe me, you will never use these templates, because we just need to use custom new documents to start our work. The next part is preset details. And what do we do exactly here? We actually tell Photoshop our information about the new document. We tell Photoshop some information and it creates the document based on our information. And as you can see, the first thing is the name of our new documents, which I write, for example, my name, pages, and the next one is width and height. We need to write some numbers. I leave it to be like this. The next one is, it depends on what kind of document you're working on it, and actually the most common is pixels. You can choose inches, centimeters, millimeters, points, and pixels, but the most common is pixels. And we're gonna go on resolution. 72 is the default resolution for the digital space, and we don't touch it. And the next one is color mode. We have some color modes right there: bitmap, grayscale, RGB, CMYK, and LAB color. I talk about these things later, guys, don't worry. We just need to scan this information, you know. Don't worry at all. Then the next one is the depth of our bit, which we have 8, 16, and 34, and let's it to be 8. Don't touch it. The next one is background contents. We have some backgrounds right there: white, black, background color, transparent, and custom, which I choose black. You're gonna see what's gonna happen soon. And the next one is advanced option. And for the first is color profile. When I choose it, we have actually many color spaces all around the world. And the standard color mode is actually sRGB, which is the default. And the last one is pixel aspect ratio, which we have some details here. Believe me, guys, you will never ever touch these things. Just as I said, we just need to scan these things. The important things is just the name of your documents, dimension, resolution, and the color mode, and that's it. Let's choose this create button, and we're gonna see what's gonna happen. And there we go. We just created the new document based on our information. So we're gonna get back to the home screen by clicking on this icon. And that's it for this session, guys, and I'll see you in the next video.